In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and export your project in stunning 4K resolution using After Effects. Let's dive right into the process, ensuring everything from your initial composition setup to your final export is optimized for the best quality output. First off, it's essential to set up your composition correctly to achieve that crisp, vibrant, Ultra HD 4K resolution. You'll want to navigate to the Composition menu at the top of your screen, and from there, head over to the Composition settings. In the window that pops up, set your width to 3840 pixels and your height to 2160 pixels. These dimensions are standard for 4K, ensuring your output will match that high-quality standard. Additionally, it's crucial to verify that your frame rate and duration align with your project requirements and the final output you envision. Once everything looks good, click on OK to lock in these settings. With your composition ready, it's time to prepare your layers and assets. This step is crucial because your content needs to look impeccable at such a high resolution. Make sure all your assets, whether they're videos, graphics, or text elements, are of high resolution themselves. This is important to prevent them from becoming blurry or pixelated when scaled up to 4K. If you find that some of your assets are lower in resolution, there are a couple of approaches you could take. You might consider carefully upscaling them, paying close attention to quality loss, or ensuring that they still look acceptable when they're part of a 4K composition. Now let's talk about exporting your project. You have a couple of options here. If you want to export directly from After Effects, you can go to the Composition menu again and choose Add to Render Queue. This is a straightforward approach, but if you're looking for more control over your export settings, especially when dealing with 4K, you might want to consider using Adobe Media Encoder. To do this, select Add to Adobe Media Encoder Queue from the Composition menu. Many users appreciate the additional flexibility Media Encoder offers, particularly with its broader range of format and codec options ideally suited for high-resolution exports. Finally, you'll need to decide on your export settings. Whether you're using the Render Queue in After Effects or the Media Encoder, you must set the output module, or format, to a codec that efficiently supports 4K resolution. High-quality formats such as Apple ProRes 4444 or the animation codec are excellent choices for creating 4K master files. These codecs are known for maintaining the quality and detail necessary for professional-grade projects. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your project not only looks fantastic, but is also ready to impress in Ultra HD 4K. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!